Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix the error when installing a game repack. Let's begin. Now, if you see this error, an error occurred while unpacking. Does not match Checksum Unarc.dll. Returned an error code -12 when installing. Alright, so it usually happens because one or more files in your download are corrupted, incomplete, or don't match the checksum. It's not usually about your PC being broken, it's more about the downloaded files themselves. Now, the first thing that we can advise you is to go to these official websites, which is DLL.me. Alright, so from here, you just have to download this specific file that is missing on that specific game repack. Alright, and of course, you also might want to go to the Unarc.dll. It's free, by the way. All you have to do is click the download button right here. And from there, you need to select all these. Alright, so you have all these options for you. Now, after that, it's also very important for you to download the Visual C++ redistributable runtimes all-in-one. So from here, it's very simple. Just provide some information and click the download button. These are going to be the files that is needed, and you should check also the older versions because it depends on your machine's capability or compatibility. So right now, the most stable is going to be from July 2025, so I want you to download that as well. After downloading all of these, the next step is, now after installing, you need to go to the control panel. From here, you need to click the system security and then click the system. This will open a pop-up window right here, okay? And then now from here, I want you to click the advanced system settings. And then there's going to be a small pop-up window that will appear. And then, now from here, I want you to hover to the performance option and click the settings again. And then there is an option here, going to the advanced and go to the virtual memory. I want you to click on it, change, and then uncheck this settings that says automatically manage paging file size for all devices. Now from here, you need to put in a custom size. I want you to take a look on the installed memory. So in my case, I have like a 16 gig of RAM. So you can put in the initial size and the maximum size. After doing so, I want you to click the set option and click the OK button. All right. And sometimes your antivirus or Windows Defender deletes or quarantines certain installer files, especially the unarc.dll or the isdon.dll. So in this case, I highly suggest you temporarily disable real-time protection or maybe add the installer folder to your antivirus exception list. All right. And sometimes though, if you are also using a VPN, that could interfere with the installation. So I highly suggest you temporarily disable that for now. All right. And also make sure that the drive where you're unpacking has enough free space, because low disk space can cause extraction errors. Also avoid installing on external drives. Stick to your main C or D drive. All right. And that's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial helped you. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick fixes, and drop a comment if you are still stuck. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.